Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today's session is on learning English. So today we are going to discuss on articles. So there are three articles. They are a, an, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. More on a and the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they usually leave indefinite the person or thing spoken of. For example, a doctor. So when you say a doctor, it means any doctor. The is called the definite article because it normally points out some particular person or thing. Let's take another example. He saw the doctor. So it clearly means that we are talking about a particular doctor. So more on indefinite article. A or an. The choice between a and an is determined by sound. So this is an interesting part of English language. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. So remember this rule. It is not the vowel but sound of the vowel. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound, an is used. For example, an arrow, an enemy, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. H is not a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here we are having H, O, U, R. But how it is pronounced? It is pronounced as O, U, R. H is silent here. And therefore, an R. An honest person. Again, H is silent here. An heir. So, those are the examples. The indefinite article is used before singular countable noun. So, the example is a book, a girl. Here, let's focus on this example, an orange. So, O is a vowel. Yes, so therefore we are using an orange. The definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. Let's look at the individual examples. The book. So it's an example of singular countable noun. Okay, the pen. Okay, so we are talking of one pen, singular countable noun. Plural countable nouns, again we will use the books. Okay, uncountable noun, the milk, the sugar. So all these are the example of uncountable nouns. So more on indefinite article. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. Let's take an example. A boy, a woman, a horse, a university. Focus on the last example. Okay, so university, this U is a vowel, but how it is pronounced as? It is pronounced as YU. So words which has pronunciation with a consonant, they are associated with a union, a university. Use of definite article. When we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to, take some example. The book you want is out of print. So we are talking about a particular book which is out of print. Okay, let's go to the park. So we have a park in mind and we are talking in terms reference to that particular park. The girl cried. So these are some of the examples. When a singular noun is meant to represent the whole class, the cow is a useful animal. There are varieties of cows, but what the sentence reads, the cow is a useful animal, singular noun, and therefore the cow. On the same lines, the horse is a noble animal. The cat loves comfort. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Before some proper names, let's take an example, oceans and the seas. So we say the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, canals, the Suez Canal, desert, the Sahara Desert. Before the names of certain books, the examples are the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. Before the names of things unique of their kind, so the sun, the sky, the moon, the earth, with superlatives, so comparative. The darkest cloud has the silver lining. Okay, yes, another example, this is the best book of chemistry, with ordinals. Ordinal means where there is some sequence. So let us look at some examples. He was the first man to arrive. The first man. The 9th chapter of the book is interesting. Okay, ordinals. Before musical instruments, we use definite article. So he can play the flute. More on definite article. Before the historical buildings and public places, so we say the Taj Mahal, the Golden Temple, the library, the zoo. Before the names of party, so we say the BJP, the Congress, the Janata Party, the Lok Dal. So those are the examples. Before the big ranks, so we always say the Prime Minister, the President, the Principal. Before the names of nation and communities, the English, the French, the Hindus. So those are the examples. More on definite article. Before the names of religious books, newspaper and magazines, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Indian Express, the Hitwada, the Indian Review. So those are the few examples. Before the proper noun, which are used as common noun. So let us take the interesting example. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So the Shakespeare. So it's a specific noun which is used as common noun. Let's take one more example. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Specific noun, proper noun, which is being used as common noun. Hope, dear friends, you like this video. If so, do press the like button. If you wish to see more such videos, do press the bell icon and do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.